saw me. Ow.
We got 4 stops on this coach. Everybody pay close attention. We're going to be doing them in this order. First stop will be Old Key West. Our second stop will be Saratoga Springs. And from there we're going to come back to French Quarter, Port Orleans French Quarter. Then our final stop, Port Orleans Riverside. Okay? 4 stops, folks. It's approximately about a 35 to 40 minute drive to Walt Disney World.
Oh, we're going in another minute.
Oh, we didn't bother with dinner.
We stood and looked at it all and just thought, oh, I don't actually know if I'm hungry now.
I know, it's odd when you're travelling, isn't it? You eat.
Just arrived at our room at Old Key West. So this is a deluxe studio room. So we've got 2 queen size beds, which are the comfiest beds literally in the whole world. We've got our little table and chairs over here, which is really nice, really handy. Got your chest of drawers, which has got all, so you can store everything in. This is the door that joins on to if you had a 2-bedroom apartment. We've got a kitchenette here, which is really nice. So you've got coffee machine, toaster, little fridge, cupboard, got a sink, microwave, and then it has plastic plates and cups and things, which is kind of annoying. And then you have the mugs and glasses and everything, which is nice. And Joffrey's, hallelujah, thank goodness for Joffrey's. So yeah, it's really, really nice. So it's really handy. Got a little fridge, lots of room for everything. And then you've got your wardrobe behind you, so you've got ironing board, you've got a safe in there as well, an iron, some extra blankets and things, loads of hangers, travel cart as well, Hoover. Don't know why, I'm not going to do any hoovering while I'm on holiday. Thanks! The bathroom, I literally love this bathroom. I would have my bathroom like this at home if I could. It's so beautiful. It's got a really big mirror, and you've got your shower, and has the little clothesline as well in there, which is handy to dry stuff. And then there's the little Disney hotel body wash and everything now that comes on the wall, so you can't take them home. And then you're back out into the room. And through the double doors over there is the little balcony, which is lovely. So I'm so excited to sit out there in the morning and have my coffee. Okay, packing cube number 1. So in here I have all of my outfit things. So nicer things, play suits, little dresses type things.
Yeah,
oh my gosh, so creased. This is a little playsuit thing I've had for years from Primark, which comes on every holiday with me ever, so that had to come this time too.
Yeah, exactly.
This is another little playsuit. It's from, I think it's from New Look. It's black and flowy. Can't see it at all in the shop. And I've got t-shirts and 2 pairs of shorts. Well,
These are my new
vest top
shorts.
and 2 pairs of shorts, black linen pair of shorts, and then a khaki pair.
Just a standard, and they're a size 12, and they fit me.
Then got a skirt, which has got all it's very beachy. It's very Old Key West. It's got palm trees. I think it's got tigers on it too, which is amazing. And all sorts of bits. So those culottes, some spotty ones, they're perfect for any mini themed outfit. I love them. And then I've got these jeans, which are, well, they're not jeans, they're trousers that I thrifted from the Goodwill last time. They're originally from Old Navy. Yeah, they're very comfy, and I can wear them with a lot of things actually, which is good. And a trusty Spirit jersey's in there as well. Very creased from the journey. But yeah, got that in the outlet last time we were here. So packing cube number 1 complete.
What were you looking for?
So I'm just going to put these bits away now and start on the next one. Packing cube number 2. I've got my pyjamas on the top of this one, and then I've got some of those nice little soft bras in here as well. I like to wear those when it's not too hot. Also got my bikini in here, which I need to replace. I need to get a new one because this one's very old. So hopefully I'll be able to.
I bought this with me because I thought I was going to bring my denim jacket, but then I thought that's quite a big thing to bring. But this is like a amazing 101 Dalmatians car boot sale find, and it kind of is a bit warmer than a jumper, but not as heavy as a denim jacket then.
Packing cube number 3, shoes. Birkenstocks, love these. Converse. Just some classic flip-flops. And the best, most amazing shoes of all time. These Irregular Choice Woody and Personalised shoes. I love them so much. I want to wear them in Toy Story Land. So excited. This is a little long trunk travel bag, which I also picked up at a car boot sale. It's really good because it folds up nice and small. So probably going to use it for my hand luggage on the way home. It's my Woody Vans backpack to wear around the parks. Always need a big backpack around the parks. Okay, Disney specific packing cubes. These are from my business, Town Square Studios, and I make them so that they're specifically Disney themed, which is super exciting. So in here I have all my park t-shirts that I'm going to wear in the parks. So this one isn't a Disney t-shirt, but this one I picked up in Primark and it was like £2.50, and I just thought it was very Florida with the lemons on it, so I grabbed it. Then we have this one I got in I think it was called the Theme Park outlet in the Lake Buena Vista outlets. It's a Miko t-shirt and flick, and I just think it's the best. This t-shirt is a Hollywood Studios 30th anniversary t-shirt, which I picked up at a Goodwill, and it was $2. I mean, I was ecstatic.
Did you see that it was still in the outlet? On a video, yeah. It was still in the outlet for like $8. The thrift store. Oh, this was an outlet purchase. Excited about this one.
Yeah, this was like $7 in the outlet. I got it a couple of years ago, and it's a 45th anniversary t-shirt for the Magic Kingdom. This was another thrift store purchase, and it is a Dole Whip Disney World t-shirt. I don't think it was ever worn, like it feels really new, so yeah, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to style this one up. It kind of looks like it should just be like around the pool t-shirt. It's a pretty crazy t-shirt, but it is really cool. That was also $2 in the thrift store. Couldn't leave it, had to have it. And then this little pile are t-shirts that I've made for Town Square Studios, but I'm not going to show you because you'll see them on my Instagram at Town Square Studios, so go give it a follow. Next, in the Disney specific packing cubes, we have got a few bits in here, and this is a Park Snacks cool bag. So it's like the perfect size to pop in a backpack. It will keep like cans of drinks cold, it'll keep sandwiches cold. It's also personalised, so like it's the cast member badge, and then you can have your name put inside it. Yeah, so they're available on my Etsy store, which is linked below. This is my all-time favourite cap. It's my Monsters University cap. I got it in Disneyland, California when I went there. I love it. This is a little Mickey, well, a little crossbody. These are the in case of rain emergency supplies, umbrella and a rain mat. And that is that done. Okay, on to the next and, in my opinion, most important part, the ears. So this is my ears packing cube. So these ears are from the outlets. They're the Bubblegum Walt Epcot ears. These ears are from Tokyo Disneyland, and my friends got them for me from there when they went for the 35th anniversary. I haven't worn them before, so I'm very excited to wear those. Oh, these are in here. These are just little sandwich bags that I bring with me because they're very handy for all sorts of little things. These are my classic mini ears. These are my holographic silver mini ears, also from the outlet. These are my millennial pink ones. Love these. Yeah, they're all the ears I brought with me this time.